Comparing numbers. This is greater than, smaller than, is equal to. These three signs stand for these concepts. So, tick the set that has more objects. In these two boxes, we will compare which box has more objects. In this box, 1, 2, 3, 4. But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will tick the set that has more objects. So we will not tick here. We will tick here. Now tick the set that has less objects. Here, let me count these first. You can ask your child to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which has less objects? 7. Here it has more objects. So we will not tick this one. We will tick this one. Now do the following sets have the same number of objects? Tick yes or no. Let's check here how many ice creams are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many toffees are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They look more, but they are equal in numbers, size. So, should I tick yes or no? They have the same number of objects, so let me tick yes. To reinforce more and less, we will just have a clearer idea. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carrots are 1, 2, 3. 5 is more than 3. So we will put here greater than sign. 5 is more than 3. How many monkeys are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bananas are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 is less than 7. 4 is less than 7. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. So 4 and 4 are equal. Put the correct sign greater than or equal to or less than. Now let me explain. We have to put the correct sign in these boxes. So this side we have 1 ice cream. This side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. This side we have 1. Crocodile ro mouth से कौन करिबो कहिछि से गोटे लोभी सबु बेले कहबो जे ताकू जदि मु एमिति रखिबी एटा करेक्ट हबनी से कहबो सब अधिका जो पटे अछि तार मुहटा सब सेई पटे को अधिका हे कि रहिबो तो एठी होची ए साइन टा ठीक 1 is less than 4 or smaller than 4 4 is greater सीटपें का ताकू ए साइड रे मुहटा खुला रहला अच्छा एबे बॉल्स अच्छी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 बॉल्स ए साइड रे अच्छी 1 2 2 होची कम लेस तो एबे कौन हम झटकिना एपट को बदल जावा ए साइन 7 is greater than 2 so this side I will put here this sign. Now stars 1 2 3 this side also 1 2 3 so I will put equal to sign because 3 and 3 they both are equal एक्का किए अधिका किए बेसी नुहंती एटा जदि मन रखिदेबा क्रोकोडाइल रो माउथ जमती सब बेले अधिका साइड को खोला रहिबो ताहले एई साइन टा को केबे भी कंफ्यूज हेबेनी राइट equal to more than less than signs to make each sentence true. Let's count the objects in this box. 1 2 3 4 here in this box there is one object 4 is more than 1 or less than 1 more सो आपने देखी थे जे गोटे क्रोकोडाइल केमती पड़ी थाए पूरा किछि जेमती किछि से हलचल हेउ न थाए जिते बड़े ठीक देखिबो कोन किछि खाइबा को मिलियो माने से पार्टी को पूरा आ करके देखिबा को आपण पाइबे आ एठी हमें एमती मन रखिबा जे जो पटे अधिका थिबो तार मुहटा सेही पट को खुला रहइबो ता माने एमिति नुह एमिति रहइबो तो empty रहेगा 4 is more than 1 now we will count this here 1 2 3 3 here we have 1 2 3 4 5 5 5 is more so what sign I will put here this is greater than or more than but this is less than 5 is more 5 अडकू मुहटा खोला रहिबो एपटे ए साइड रो एटा रहिबो okay so we will put the sign like this how many pictures are here 1 2 3 4 5 6 here 1 2 3 4 4 is less and this is more so should I put like this no more अडको ए खोला साइड टा रहिबो एतिकी जदि मन रखि देबे सब बेले जोटा अधिका थिबो तारी अडको खोला साइड टा रहिबो ताहले आपण माने आ कंफ्यूज करिवेनी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 is more 7 is less so 8 आड़ को खोला साइड टा रहिबो 7 is less than 8 here 1 2 3 4 4 here 1 2 3 3 is less than 4 तो को साइड को रहिबो खोला साइड टा एमिति 4 is more than 3 here this is 1 We will count here 1, 2. In this box also 1, 2. 2, 2 equal. So let me put the equal sign. In this way, if you remember the idea of crocodile's mouth, then you will never get confused while comparing the numbers or in between the signs of more than and less than or greater than and smaller than signs in your lifetime.